Hey everyone, it's Francine and John, and we are back upstairs. We've got my big meathead over there laying on the couch. He is taking himself a nap because he's had a hard day of doing nothing. But me and Francine went to an auction, and it was a bust. We drove almost an hour one way to go to this auction to find out that it was actually just a flea market that had shut down, and the stuff that they had left over was the complete garbage. And people were leaving in droves. As we were leaving, other people were leaving.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation.
So we're back here to pull our 17 items on eBay, and we have 2 items that we got to pull from that, 3 items that we've got to pull from that over there, and we're going to pull those. The first item, let me throw my glasses on because I can't really see what I'm doing here. We have a Sega Dreamcast controller. I had this in a lot of stuff. I get lazy sometimes and I throw everything in a lot, and that was on the shelf down there. It wasn't listed anymore. But how much did that controller sell for?
$20 plus 6 shipping.
$20 for that. And then we sold another controller, a set of controllers. This is regular Sega Genesis controllers, the 32-bit console. And how much did they sell for?
$19 plus shipping.
$19 plus shipping. So that's like what, 40 bucks?
I don't know. Don't ask me to do math.
Okay. And then we have a little Wii controller here. And I think it sold for like what?
15 free shipping.
15 free shipping, so that'll be about $8 to ship. So there's roughly 48 bucks that was just sitting on my shelf downstairs, and this all sold like that quick. I just listed it like a couple days ago, but I listed it all in a lot and tried to sell it that way, and nobody bought it. So I broke everything up, and it all sold. I guess, you know, it's a weird lot. I had it listed real cheap so people could buy it and then like maybe put it in their video game store or whatever, but nobody bought it. But we're going to go down to the basement and we'll be right back. Okay, we are in the basement and we have probably like 14 items to get. We're going to jump right into this. What is the first item? Is it the Hymnal?
It's a Hymnal, yeah.
The Hymnal? How many did they just get? One?
One. You know, we have a Bonanza item too, I don't want to forget.
Oh, you go get the Bonanza item and I'll get the Hymnal. I know exactly what it is. Let's find them a nice Hymnal. I got a whole box full of them. I got a whole box full of them, and they don't sell very quick. I've had these things listed forever and ever and ever. We sold a big item on Bonanza, and I'm pretty stoked to have sold these finally. There are these right.
Okay.
Here, you take them because I've got it on the up close mode so that people can see stuff a little bit better. And like it's really hard to like see stuff when it's really up close. Okay, we've got the Hymnal here. It's a Presbyterian Hymnal. And how much did it sell for?
I don't think it's that one.
You don't think it is?
No, it says hymns on the front.
Oh,
it's a brighter red.
Boy.
See, hymns for the living church.
Ah. That's for the dead church. We'll go put this one up. I don't know where the other Hymnal would be that then. You better go find it.
It should be like 12 or 13 of them if you count.
Oh, it's right here. Right here. There's the Hymnals.
Okay.
We have a lot of Hymnals and we just don't know. These I got these from a friend of mine who was a pastor. They bought a Presbyterian church, and the Presbyterian church went out of business, and he gave me a bunch of Presbyterian stuff, and I sold it on eBay. But this is the right Hymnal. And how much did it sell for?
$7.82 plus some shipping.
$7.82 plus some shipping. And this is the item that we sold on. Can you grab them and hold them up? I just hold one of them up. I just hold it up. You're real close to the camera. Because I've got it on the upper closer format. So turn it the other way. The other way.
What do you mean?
The other. There. No. There you go. That's what it looks like there. Does anyone know? There's a pair of them, and I have no idea. Are they used for hanging up clothing or something like that? Because I really don't know what they would be used for. I'm not sure. But how much did they sell for on Bonanza?
$108 and plus shipping.
$108 plus shipping on Bonanza. We haven't had a Bonanza sale in forever, and now all of a sudden we've got a huge Bonanza sale, and that goes into the PayPal, which then goes into my junk checking account where I put where my YouTube money goes. And all that money, we just use it to eat food on when the kids don't know. We don't let the kids know we're going out to eat, and then we go eat, and we sneak it, and we, that's food money. What's the next item?
We need a t-shirt.
What tote's that in?
It just says t-shirt tote, so I guess the first one.
Probably. What's the next? The next one above is Ronald McDonald. So you go find the t-shirt.
Okay, see. When it has a fish on the back.
It has a fish on the back of it. So I'm going to go grab Ronald McDonald. I absolutely hate getting rid of this. In fact, it's the last one to sell, which is really weird. Maybe it's because they had more Ronald McDonald's than anything. But this is the Ronald McDonald PlayPlace item. We bought these at a flea market. I paid, I want to say $200 or $300 for the PlayPlace and for like 5 sealed figures. And old Ronald McDonald sold for $65. It was $80.57 out the door. Tax title included. And that's not too bad. I really liked it. I almost kept it and delisted it, but I find myself doing that way too often with some of this stuff, and I can't keep everything, even though I would love to. Brand new in the package. That was from 1978. How cool is that? The next item that I'm pulling, because she's still over there pulling that t-shirt and another t-shirt, is that we have, woo, I almost dropped her. We have this Russian nesting doll set, which is really cool. I love nesting dolls. I pick them up every time I find them. And there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 dolls, and they all nest inside of each other. And it sold for $19, and it's out the door for $28 shipped. Okay, we are looking on rack 6 here. And we should have a pair of overalls. I think these are them. I think. Is this rack 6, Francine? Is this rack 6?
No, they're kind of all over the place.
I know, I don't do a very good job at... Let's see. This is rack 4. That's 5. And that's just a clothing rack. I'll be right back. Okay, we've got a couple of clothes items here. We've got some very sexual. These are sexual. If you wear them, you're going to take the farmer's daughter home with you. Those are for a big boy. And
women's.
they're for
Supposedly,
it don't matter. They're for a big woman. It's okay. They don't matter. How much did they sell for?
They sold for $26.95 plus shipping.
$26.95 plus shipping, and then we've got 2 shirts. Just that one shirt
on the back.
There we go, and 2 shirts. How much do they sell for a piece?
One was $10 and the other was $16.10.
Sell your t-shirts, folks. Okay, well, I'm going to go down here, and I put it back on the large mode, the wider format mode. Let me know, just you guys who watch my videos, because you're the ones that I really care about, which one do you like? Do you like the wider format, or do you like it to be up close and personal? I think the wider format looks a little bit better. My wife had said something about maybe the other one looking better. I wasn't sure, so you guys let me know down below. But right now, I sold this motherboard. See how much easier that is? It's just so much easier to show you guys stuff. I sold that motherboard. I believe that's it. Motherboard number 2. And it sold for how much?
$60 plus shipping.
$60 plus shipping. It has an older, let me get up here and look real quick. It's got an older Pentium 4 2.4 gigahertz processor. I've actually got another motherboard. Megan throwing the stuff on the ground. I've got another motherboard upstairs that I've got to get listed, and it'll sell just like that one. I take the Pentium 4 processors and stuff in the motherboard. I take them out of the computers, and I list them on eBay. I buy the old computers. People buy them. That was like, what? How much did I say? That was like, what, $60?
60 plus shipping.
That's pretty awesome. We've got the Terminator here, and she's not sure if this is
it's them.
the right jeans or not. I probably don't have many Miss Me jeans left. But how much did they sell for?
$16 plus shipping.
$16 plus shipping. Somebody's going to have some booty bling butts.
They're not very blingy. It's probably why they sold cheaper.
Right. Okay, the next item that we have here is this really cool old Trapper Keeper. It's got some like Lisa Frank style folders and stuff like that. Old Trapper Keepers bring really good money. How much did that one sell for?
$17.64
It's
plus
not,
shipping.
it's not a real Trapper Keeper, but it's kind of Trapper Keeper-esque, and it's from like the early 90s. Really cool, neat item. And how much did it sell for?
$17.64.
$17.64 plus shipping. Okay, we sold this awesome hoodie here. It's Deadwood, what? Deadwood, South Dakota. That is pretty cool. It's got the skull. How much did it sell for?
$16 plus shipping.
$16 plus shipping. I really love selling clothing. I used to, you had never got me say that in the past, but as you can tell here, a lot of them, if it wasn't for clothing, I'd be back bagging groceries at the buying bag. And we've got these real little salt and pepper shakers. I listed them a couple months ago. How much did they sell for?
$10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. I actually took a best offer on those. I'm glad because they're tiny and they need to go to their new home. Do we have any more items?
Oh yeah, we got like 3 more things to get.
Okay, what's the next item on the list?
2 pendant lights.
Oh, those are down here. You're going to have to go because I can't. They're down here at the very end. It's getting empty down here. I'm really like, we've sold so much of our stuff. Our sales have really been impacted. We were, at one point, we were selling like $700-800 a day about 6 months ago. And now we're down to like $200-300 a day. And the shelves are kind of getting empty. Old Johnny is going to have to do something. If not, I'll be in trouble because it's really hard to find stuff around here. There's no good yard sales, and the auctions are really getting competitive. So I knew this day would come. I just got to figure out a plan. I got to figure out a plan, a workaround. I might be moving to Florida down there where Dave lives at because that seems to be where all the good stuff's at anyways. How much did those sell for?
$25 a piece plus shipping.
Yeah, the guy messaged me and he's like, would you take an offer? I'm like, I sure would. He goes, what's your best price? I said, make me an offer. He made me an offer for $25 a piece. They'd been listed forever. We bought them at I think we paid $5 a piece for them. We bought them at the, up there at the booth, and they sold, but it took a while. They were listed for over a year, but I had, again, went through this whole section over here and was redoing prices and touching stuff, and there really is something to that. What's the next item that we have?
This model.
Oh, it's the tank model. It's the tank model. I know where that's at. That's down here with the models. I really love selling models. I used to put them together when I was a kid, and it's always something that I wish I had more time for. And this is really cool. It's a Panzer Kampfwagen 2. It's one of them German ones. It's one of them World War II German tanks. I bought that at the thrift store for a whole $1. How much did it sell for?
$14 plus shipping.
I made $13. That's pretty good. I can take a certain redhead out for some lunch this week based on all that money we made. What's the next item that you got there?
The last item, it's the Mickey Mouse ceiling fan blades.
Oh, those, I think they're right here, so you're going to have to come dig out the right set, I think. I don't know how many there are, but we'll have to look at them and then we'll show them to you. We'll be right back. Okay, so we had to get this figured out because we had a bunch of them. And we have a whole set of them here. Parts, definitely Mickey stuff does pretty well, but we'll see them here. There's the 4 different Mickey Mouse fan blades. How much did they sell for?
Let me go back to the other screen.
I think it should tell you right there.
No, $35 plus shipping.
$35 plus shipping, so not too bad. I think I got them from Habitat for Humanity, and I didn't pay hardly anything for them. So I always like to find ceiling fan parts. They really do sell pretty good. And that is everything that we sold today. So I want to tell you guys we appreciate you. Let me give it a little. There we go. That's not much better, but we appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you would, go down and like and subscribe. You guys have a good day, and God bless.